let you know, to go around through his lifeguard windscreen, which came up, hit me on the head.
I didn't even see it. You were talking in the
But
microphone.
after even being hit in the air, pilot Ian got us all back to Carpathian safely.
Don't jog me.
All Chinook crews perform remarkable feats every day in their machines, and it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you the RAF Chinook display team.
Ladies and gentlemen, the manoeuvre that you are currently witnessing is called the Gorny Climb. This manoeuvre was named after the base in Bosnia where the Chinook demonstrated its excess of power compared to other battlefield helicopters. It is followed by a corkscrew descent from around 1,000 feet.
It'll get nicked, you know. Sometimes people. That's why it says to get everything out of the car. Mine.
I can see it.
That is mad.
This is an opportunity for us to demonstrate the unique ability of a helicopter to fly sideways. Please show your appreciation to our crew today by giving them a big wave and a cheer as they pass along the crowd lines.
Oh no.
Look at the water. He's hanging out the back.
As the aircraft passes, you will notice its 3 hooks used for carrying underslung loads. These can hold up to 10.5 metric tons. This great ability to carry 3 external loads simultaneously while still carrying a large internal load has made the Chinook famous the world over and the workhorse of the Afghan theatre.
I can see my camera.
So can I.
No one's out. Look at the phone sound back.
Descent for the field for the Morgan turn. The manoeuvre was named after squadron leader Dave Morgan.
Where's it going?
Previous display pilots retired this year, flying the Chinook for longer than our display captain Paul
I
Palmer
told
has
you
been
that.
alive.
Lancaster and Spitfire's up next.
Next year we'll come by phone card.
Ah, we go.
All there in the big wing world.
I'm filming the whole of this. While getting sunburned. How does it do that? That's what you saw yesterday. Tornadoes.
Spitfire and Lancaster's on next.
If you want to read it, yeah, I've got glass. You don't want to read. Will you bring up?
Whoa.
get on your feet, make some noise. Put your hands together for the 2012 Chinook display team.
We were, you know when I said we went to Donna, we were at the bottom of that cliff.
Yeah, we were.
Yeah.
That's what.
And the red arrow.
Truly